Hey up, we've got the Friday feels and I've got a Tiguan on my ramp with an engine light on, so I'm going to show you just what's going on. So you can code read it, which I have, that gives you your avenue. Just remember, code reading ain't necessarily a component that needs replacing. That's just what's been detected by all these good things in here. Lots of sensors, lots of things going on. And this is a 2019, so obviously the more modern cars, the more sensors they've got on them. Anyway, we've got a GlowPlug cylinder 2 fault, so it's more of a refresher for you guys out there more than anything. So I've got my multimeter, we've got it set to resistance, the best ground ever. There's your battery negative, and let's have a look. So it's cylinder 2 GlowPlug fault. Alright, so you can see me just pop my red lead onto the tip of cylinder 2 and we're open circuit, no good. And then if we just show you for comparison a good GlowPlug, cylinder 1, so we're just in there on the tip. There we go, that's a good GlowPlug, that's a good GlowPlug. And cylinder 2 isn't. Now I ain't had to take this out of the head to measure that, which is good, using the earth, the actual earth of the GlowPlug as is. So we're not causing issues, we're confirming that the GlowPlug is dead. We're also going to advise best practice that if one's gone, you might find that the other 3 ain't far behind. It's a 4-cylinder engine, so it does have 4, and it's got the pressure plug in there. So it's got 3 normal and 1 pressure one. So all that means in essence is you've got 3 expensive ones and 1 very expensive one. So yeah, that was just a quick test, guys, just to prove without really being too intrusive. Because the customer might not want to replace it, they might just want the diag done and then take it away and they'll maybe do it themselves. So, you know, I've not caused any issues, we've not really taken out a part other than a plug. Times 2. Easy as that. So, just a quick one again. So, cylinder 2, open circuit. Cylinder 1. Get it on the tip. There we go. Right, cylinder 1, perfect. I could show you the rest, all the same. It's only cylinder 2 that's not working. Best earth, and it's a really good engine to be fair. So just a quick test, guys, a little bit of a refresher more than anything, and that's the easy way of testing these GlowPlugs. So have an amazing Friday, have a good weekend as well, and I'll see you all in a bit.